In this video, I am going to discuss a question which was asked in JEE Mains 2019 January section. So let's go to the question. The question is the area bounded by the parabola y is equal to x square minus 1, comma the tangent at the point 2, comma 3 to it, and the y-axis is option 1 14 by 3 square units, option 2 56 by 3 square units, option 3 8 by 3 square units, option 4 32 by 3 square units. So let's try to draw the figure. So when you draw the figure of y square is equal to x square minus 1, it will be a figure like this, an upward parabola. It will touch the y-axis at 0, minus 1. Now we need a tangent at the point 2, 3. So when you draw a tangent at the point 2, 3 to it, this will be the tangent at the point 2, 3. So let's mark these points. Let's complete a triangle like this. Let O be the origin. Let this be a point P. Let this be a point M, let this be a point K, let this be a point D, let this be a point C. Let's mark all these points. So now let's try to find the point D and C. What are D and C? D and C are the points where the tangent meet the x-axis and y-axis. So for finding the x-intercept and y-intercept of this, let's write the equation of tangent. So what is the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent can be found by y minus y1 is equal to m, that is log. Log can be found by differentiation dy by dx at 2, 3 into x minus x1. You can write the equation where y1 is 3 and dy by dx is 2x. Derivative of y is equal to x square minus 1 is 2x. So dy by dx at 2, 3 is 2x at 2, 3. It should be 4 into x minus x1, that is x minus 3. So rearranging, you will get y minus 3 equal to 4x minus 12, x minus x1, so x minus 2 this is actually supposed to be, that is 4x minus 8, you will get y minus 3 is equal to 4 into x minus 2, that is 4x minus 8, that is 4x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. This will be the equation of this line. So the line MD, which is a tangent, is 4x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. So what is the y-intercept of this? When there is a y-intercept, x coordinate will be 0. When x is 0, y will be minus 5. So this point should be 0, minus 5. Similarly, the x-intercept of this, when there is an x-intercept, y coordinate will be 0. Put y is equal to 0, x will be 5 by 4. So this point will be 5 by 4, 0. So this will be the coordinate of C. So you got the coordinate of C. Now we are trying to do it using elimination methods. That means from the options we are trying to figure out the answer. So for finding the area under this curve, what is the required area? Area between the curve, the tangent and the y-axis. So this shaded portion is the required area. The shaded portion is the required area. Now how do you find the area of the shaded portion? So now let's find the area of triangle KMD. Surely the required area is going to be lesser than area of KMD. What is the area of KMD? Half into base. This point will be 0, 3. So base will be KD into height will be KM. So that is half into distance between 0, 3 and 0, minus 5 will be 8 units into height will be 2 units. So it is 8 square units. This will be 8 square units, the area here. Now let's see the options. Surely our required area is going to be way lesser than 8 square units. When you see the options, option 2, 56 by 3 is way higher than 8. So it can never be the answer. Similarly, 32 by 3 is also way higher than whatever is the answer required here. Because already the larger triangle, which consists of much more area than the required area, has a area of 8 square units. So it cannot be 32 by 3. 32 by 3 is exceeding 10. So this also cannot be the answer. So we can zero down the options to option 1 or option 3. Now let's figure out which one is the correct answer. Which one is option 1 or option 3. Now let's try to reduce this area a bit more. Now when you consider this area, let's do one thing. Let's join P and M. So when you join P and M, surely this much area is not going to be there in the answer. So this total area KMD, area of triangle KMD minus area of triangle KMP. Let's subtract this. Triangle KMD's area was 8 square unit. KMP's area will be half into base. Base will be this much distance. This distance will be 4 units. Into height will be again 2 units itself. So 4 square units. So this is 4 square units. Now when you see over here, this much area is going to be 4 square units. This much area involves this part also. This much area is 4 square units. So our required area, which is this much, understood the difference? This much area is 4 square units because we have subtracted this much area. So our required area is surely going to be lesser than 4. From this we are 100% it should going to be lesser than 4. Now we are left with option 1 and option 3. Option 1 is something which is greater than 4. So option 1 cannot be the answer. So the only possible option is option 3. So thanks for watching the video. So this was a question actually which was supposed to be done using integration and using area under the curve, and we have solved it without it. So try similar approaches when you have a question from area under the curve. Thanks a lot for watching the video.